Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here is a detailed TA for Bitcoin, not a turbo TA. Today, here is a detailed TA. We are here in the daily chart. Every candle is 1 day. And guys, one thing I would like to show you is this here. Watch this. We had a really bad cross here about two MA lines, about the MA50 and the MA100. This was the cross. If you're zooming in a little bit more, we can see it here better. This day was the cross on 23rd May. We saw a crossing of these two lines, and this is a very bad sign. You can see on this bull run, since long time on this bull run, we really never saw a crossing about these two lines, and now we have this bad picture here. It's not a death cross, it's a bad cross in my opinion. Guys, if we are watching a death cross, we have to watch two other stuffs. That's the MA200 and the MA50. These are these two lines, and this is a death cross. And for the moment, we have no death cross here. You can see it here. The MA200 is the MA200 is this blue line here coming from the downside, and this line here is the MA50. And if this both lines will cross, we will have a death cross. For the moment, there is a lot of space between these lines. For the moment, it's no death crossing, but it's possible. It's possible soon in the next days, weeks. It's possible to see a death cross. This would be a really bad sign for Bitcoin, but for the moment, it's not a death cross. For the moment, it's a crossing about these two lines I told you, the MA200 and the what's going on here? Let me check very quick. The MA50 and the MA100 crossed. This is the bad cross here. Okay, guys, that's the quick overview for the daily chart. Remove these lines here. Remove the MA, and let's check clearly here the 1 day chart. And you can see some interesting stuff. We are in a big downtrend. Yes, this is a big downtrend for sure. This is a really bad thing, and we are fighting in this downtrend, and it's really necessary for Bitcoin to break out here, to break out with a lot of volume from this downtrend. Also, I can show you guys, and that's the thing I showed you yesterday on my video also, this interesting stuff. We are building a big triangle on the daily time frame. We can see it here. It's the down line. This is a big resistance, and from the downside is coming this line. This is our support line. And you can see we are building a really big triangle. And guys, I showed you also my targets yesterday. If we can break out the target to the upside, we have a really nice target, a really nice long position. If we can break out here from this triangle to the upside, this is this line here. Depends always where we will break out. Maybe on this point, we have a nice target to the upside about 52,000. If we break this to the downside, this would be a really bad target. But I will always also like to show you the bad targets. If you are shorting here or waiting for a cheaper entry for this bull run, we have a target about 20,000 to the downside. So this is the big picture I'm waiting for the moment. I'm waiting for a breakout of this downtrend. I'm waiting for a breakout for this triangle to the upside or to the downside. These are the big things for me for the moment. If we are watching the indicators, let's check RSI and let's check MACD here on detail on this daily time frame. Today, as I told you guys, it's not a 5-minute quick update. It's a longer TA, it's a detailed TA. We have to check some things. MACD at this point here from the downside, and you can see we are still bearish. We are still bearish on the daily time frame with the MACD, but they are close together, these two lines. The blue line must cross this brown line to see a bullish MACD. This would be very interesting in the next time. Also, we are building lower red candles here. That's also interesting. Maybe with the next day, maybe with tomorrow, Monday, we will see a pump to the upside with a first green one. This would be very nice, but we have to watch this. For this point, we are still bearish. What's going on with the RSI? RSI on the daily time frame, relative strength index. Let's check this, and you can see we saw an overbought RSI Under 30 is oversold. Sorry guys, under 30 is oversold RSI. Now we are here about 35 points. We are in a normal price region again. We are not oversold here. Everything is fine with this RSI. But what I can show you guys is this one. We can make a really interesting line here from the upside over this highest points here from the RSI to the downside. And this is our resistance, but we have, you can see we have a lot of space to the upside. So in my opinion, it's really possible to see a nice pump to the upside, a nice pump to the triangle, maybe to 40,000 from here. It's really possible. Also for tomorrow is Monday. Monday is mostly a pumpy day, so it's not impossible to see 40,000 here in the near future for Bitcoin. So that's the thing about RSI, that's the thing about MACD. Let's go deeper now. Let's watch the 4-hour chart here. And this is the 4-hour chart. We are still in a triangle in the 4-hour chart. The MACD is still bearish, but you can see it. We are nearly to cross the blue line over the brown line. This would be a really bullish thing, and the RSI is here on the 4-hour chart on 47 points, not overbought, not oversold. Everything is okay. We are in the middle. This is a fine picture. So what's going on here with the ribbon band? Let's check the ribbon band. Let's check this one. Is the ribbon band still a big resistance? Yes, I think it's a big resistance. Let's turn it on, and here we are with the ribbon band. You can see it here. We are still under the ribbon band. We have a nice bounce for today to the upside, but we have here the ribbon band as a big resistance, and we have to watch this, what's going on. Can we fight back the ribbon band or not? So this is the thing about the ribbon band. Now let's go deeper. Let's go in the 1-hour chart. So in the 1-hour chart, we saw a nice bullish thing. In the short term, we saw a nice bullish breakout. The blue line is over the brown line. We are building more and more green candles. We broke the ribbon band to the upside. This is really nice. We saw here this short position, and now we are fighting again with the ribbon band. You can see it here, guys. We spiked over it, and the next candle closed under it. Now we fight over it, and the next candle closed over the ribbon band. That's a really nice sign on the 1-hour chart for a pump, for a nice upgoing Bitcoin. The biggest thing is now to watch, guys. We need to break for the this highest point here. This point, we need a higher high. For the moment, we are building lower lows. That's not good. And for the moment, we are building also lower highs, and that's also not good. So we need to make now a higher high. We need now to make a higher point, about 37,300, over 37,300. We need a confirmed breakout from this downtrend, and you can see it's measuring here this downtrend line with this point, with the higher high. We need a breakout of this. This is very important. If we can make a higher high, the next thing we can watch is this trend line. It's our triangle trend line, about 38,800 or 39,000. And then a confirmed breakout to the upside. But it's a long wait for this, guys. You guys remember, Sundays are mostly bloody Sundays. So it's really hard for Bitcoin for today to see a big move like this. One thing I can show you also is this one. I know, guys, a lot of lines today, but it's very important to watch this. This was also a resistance, a red one, a resistance line, and you can see we broke it to the upside. This is also very bullish for Bitcoin on the short term. We broke this resistance line to the upside, and we are now over the ribbon band. We need now this candle must close over the ribbon band. 42 minutes left here for closing this candle. This is very important now. If you are falling back in the ribbon band, this would be not so good. Maybe retesting this resistance line. This is now a support line, and maybe we're retesting this again, and then a pump to the upside. This would be amazing, but now let's hope for this, what's going on. So MACD, let's turn off the MACD. Let's check the RSI on the 1-hour chart also. Indicator RSI, relative strength index. And here we are, and we are here in a region about 60 points, not overbought for the moment, but we are, you can see it, we are coming higher and higher and higher. For this point here from the 1-hour chart, we can also make a trend line from the highest point from here over this point to this point, and you can see it. We are about to break out of the RSI of this resistance. This is now a support, also working on the RSI. We are breaking out of this. This is really nice for the moment. This is a bullish thing in my opinion for the moment. But guys, attention, it's bloody Sunday. Don't forget it. Sunday's mostly bloody. So let's go quick into the 15-minute chart for all turbo traders. What's going on here in the next hours? What can I show you for this point here? One thing is very interesting. We broke the the ribbon band to the upside here with a long position. Very nice. We have now a really nice green ribbon band here in the 15-minute chart. We have also here the support of this trend line. We broke the EMA 200. Very nice. We confirmed broke it. But guys, attention on the 15-minute chart. We are overbought for the moment. 76 points. We are overbought. It's really possible to see a fallback here, a retest here of the triangle or of the trend line. Or of the ribbon band maybe, and then a pump to the upside. This is the thing I'm waiting for the moment. So guys, all in all, I think that's the big picture. You know now anything you need to know. The big picture for the daily, you know guys, I'm watching the triangle, the breakout for the triangle to the upside, 52,000, or to the downside, 20,000. That's the big thing for the next week or for the next weeks maybe. And this is the long overview for Bitcoin for the day, not the Turbo TA, a long video. 10 minutes, okay, it's not so long, 11 minutes. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and guys, big greetings to my big boss of my channel, Crazy Crush. Thank you for being my boss. Thank you for Cycloxide for supporting me so much. Thank you very much, my number one Cycloxide. And all other guys, they are always here in my live chat. Talking with the newbies here, talking about trades and targets. So it's really nice and really amazing to see this. Live chat is working really nice on Twitch, on YouTube. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. Please join us if you have any questions. We are always here to answer your questions. So guys, thank you very much for watching and have a nice time. It doesn't matter, guys, if you go long or if you go short here. I wish you make millions out there with your trades. So have a nice Sunday. Greetings, yours Biti, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye bye.
System activated.